Hi, I'm here to help you make a little fake webcam thing for your overlay for VTubing. So I'm using Shoost. It's faster and easier, but you don't have to. I'll show you how to do it in OBS. All you do is add a background image in here, your Sprout output for VTube Studio, and then in a foreground image if you want. I think it makes it look more 3D, and also that's how I draw all my backgrounds, with a foreground and a background. Shoost lets you move everything individually and scale everything individually. And also when you put in OBS, it's less to put into OBS. And then you can also have visual effects for the overall look, which is nice if you want some fun little customization for it. Then when you go into the settings, make sure to hit the Sprout capture and Sprout output, because when you put in OBS, it won't see it if those aren't checked. And now you can just scale it and move it around wherever you want with it, whatever size you want. If it looks kind of weird from far away, you can always go back into Shoost and edit however you wanted to edit, and scale and whatever. Now you're free to move your thing around. It's cute. It's fun. And now I can show you how to do it in OBS. It's basically the same process, just a background image, whatever you want it to be. It can also be a video, which is nice. And then you can just size it. Put in your VTuber capture, which is a Sprout capture as well in OBS. Size that again. Make sure it is the VTuber capture. Put in your foreground image. Size that again. And then after that, you make a group and put all three of those in that group. And then that means whenever you scale it now, it'll scale all three of them at the same time. It also cleans up your OBS scene. You can also crop it. I forgot to mention, you use Alt. You hold Alt to crop in OBS. So there you go. Now there are two basically visually the same. Obviously, Shoost has some effects on it, and the OBS one doesn't have anything on it to make it all pretty, but it's fine. It works nonetheless. Now, if you want the little glow effect, I just made a box in Adobe Illustrator. Mine is transparent on the inside. It doesn't have to be transparent on the inside, but the outside does have to be transparent. So I just made a little box. The fill is transparent. The stroke is the only thing that's visible. And then export it, and then it makes sure that it is, in fact, just transparent, so that it doesn't, have a white background when you put it in OBS. Size doesn't matter. It can be whatever you want it to be. Obviously, if you're smarter than I am, you would have it be the same size as the already cropped webcam you have. I'm lazy, and so I just make whatever box I want to make, and then I fit it to the size that the webcam has to be at. Here I am adding effects to it. Now, I have a free plugin for OBS. It's the Glow, Stroke, and Shadow plugin. If you don't have that, if you don't want to download it, it's free, so it's not a big deal. But if you don't want to download it, you would just make the glow effect in whatever art program you made the frame in. So you can do whatever you want that, if you want to download the plugin or not. You can also make the frame fancier if you want. You can do a frame behind the webcam and then one in front of it to nest it cutely. I wanted mine to be super simple, so I just wanted to glow behind the webcam. So it's your preference. Here I am just messing with effects. It's not important, but I was just showing you what I was doing with it. If you want to look at that, that's not, Anyways, this is how you make a little cute webcam. There you go. Have fun. Do whatever you want with it. Make it fancier if you want. Make it simpler. Dealer's choice.